Bestie, so you want to grow on social media, but you're not cross promoting. What? Yes, cross promoting. A lot of y'all want to post one video on one platform. So now this was me last year too. Do not I was a part of y'all too. It was me last year. Last year I was only posting on TikTok. I was like, why I'm not growing? The same videos to Reels, Instagram, Facebook, and Shorts, and I start growing. As y'all can see, bestie, I get way more views on Reels than TikTok. And I bet you're saying, well, ain't TikTok more popular? Yes, but bestie, let's be for real, bestie. There are a lot of people on like Reels and Facebook Reels. Like, so please make sure you are cross promoting. So what I do, TikTok video first, and then I take it to Snap TikTok, and then you download it and then you upload. Now, and please use hashtags that are related to your videos. Now, Google and type in hashtags for that, and I use that. I think it's the green one. That is my favorite tool for hashtag because it really get the best hashtags ever. And as y'all can see, bestie, that video that I posted from TikTok basically got 55,000 views. And a lot of people like that video, and I do perfume and hygiene. So for example, I did hashtag perfume, hashtag fragrance, hashtag hygiene, hashtag routine. Like, please remember to use your hashtags when cross promoting. And if you're not cross promoting, what are you doing? When I tell you I have grown so much on Reels, just reposting the videos from TikTok to the Grab and Shorts, got 10,000 views. 10,000 views. On TikTok, it got 600 views. So that's what I'm telling you. Like, you guys do it. Now, I'm not saying if your like views are low in one place, because that first one with Instagram, basically, that was me back in April, and that's me now. So what I tell you, I don't know if that's not a sign to please post your videos on Instagram Reels and remove the watermark as well. You copy and paste the link, click download, easy, easy, easy. See, please use a caption, because like, be real, you are going to like scroll past a video that just don't have no type of caption on your video. Please have a caption on your video. All my videos have a caption. For example, you see ASMR. So please make sure you are using your hashtags, your captions, and please remember to cross promote, because you're not cross promoting, basically, you're missing out on so many engagement, because some people don't have TikTok and some people don't have Instagram. Some people don't have YouTube Short. Well, that's why it's important to post your videos on different platforms to get discovered by different people, because you can never, like, cross promoting is the best thing. And basically, that was me last year. Like, last year, I did not like wants to make an Instagram, because some people that I like used to talk to, they would find my account. Bestie, just do what I did, and there is no guilt, like no guilt, no nothing. Don't be embarrassed, because some people will block your blessings with their like negativity. So please, if you have to do what I did, as you see, bestie, I blocked everybody that was associated from my school or that I do not talk to. I blocked all of them, and I have been doing numbers on Instagram, and when I mean numbers, 10K, 55 on Reels. I have been doing numbers on Reels. People love my content. They've been following them and everything. The brands have been praising. And until next time, besties. Bye, besties.